Lamsago haini haita khukte boko suna ani YouTube channel wo chung tinini video nai koyekta job notification je newspaper rojak mane notification no chung kaham khe nai ke naitongdi paithak jora aro toma post na arjak nai tei busuk qualification nangnai age limit busuk abrok full details kaham ke saimana bagai ani video no pela chiming paithak jora kaham ke naitongdi ke faidi first ni chiming chengnai laisiwana jaga tongo recruitment notice obongkha Kirit Bikram Institution Udaipur ni Kirit Bikram Institution obongkha KBI school ni phaisingtui notification lamokha jaga tongnai duita post ni bisingo tongnai female nurse maid aya tei pre-primary section obongkha primary section ni bagui aya naharjaknai tei one security guard male obongkha sudo chelarok security guard ni bagui abo temporary basis khaiwi naharjaknai 1 year ni bagui hingke jara interest tangnai rok apply khai manai aro jaga full details sai manai first tongo post wise qualification first tongo nurse maid aya ni bagai qualification nangnai SS plus pass mane 12 pass experience tongon nangnai tei English speaking tongon nangnai abo hai sajagoi hingke aboni bagai salary mannai 5000 khaiwi per month school education department ni paisingtui bongkha aya ni bagai tei tongo application deadline aya ni bagai apply khaina ni bagai timing rojakha July 4 tarik jora hingke bongkha temporary basis sarikni duty hours obongkha duty hours 10টা থেকে ফর্মনি 10টা থেকে sarikni 2টা jora duty makhainai ba office makhainai school makhainai obongkha aya ni bagai tei kaisa tongo aro post night guard ni bagai sudu matro 8% khane chuknai salary 6000 per month obongkha Vidya Jyoti ni phaisingtui rojaknai abo bahaina July 4 tarik jora apply khai mannai after school hours abo hai school hours ni porebo duty makhainai ba night guard horogo morogui mathunai hingke boni porebo chung nailaifinai tei toma post tong obongkha KBI ni bagai jara apply khaina muchungnai rok khai manai KBI Kirit Bikram Institution Udaipur Gumati Tripura jagao boni pore chung nailaipisnai aro tongo employment notification online recruitment portal of Health and Family Welfare Department experience and expect downtime due to some technical issues at the Tripura State Data Center abo hai khaiwi family and health and family welfare department ni phaisingtui notification lamok phiuka haini hai 10টা vacancy tongo আর 100টা vacancy ba 100টা post naharjaknai hingke aboni post name wngkha nursing officer ni bagai lamokha obongkha purely contract basis khaiwi naharjaknai 100টা vacancy tongo aboni bagai contractual basis khaina hajaknai 11 months ni bagai ba 11 mas ni bagai hingke phono full details kaham ke saimani bagai website nirok habdi health.tripura.gov.in hai ka bate kaisa number tongo health recruitment tripura gov.in o website o habkangke nirok full details kamke sai mannai tei apply khai mannai obo wngkha online apply ma khainai online khainani bagui timing rojak tongo July মানে বৈশাখ মাস ni 4 তারিখ 7 2025 ni phumni 11টা থেকে 18 তারিখ 7 2025 তারিখनि 5টা jora apply khai manai website o thanginai ke nirok amke busi mankana obongkha nursing officer ni bagui online apply makhainai ke boni bagui tei boro age limit ok rojak tongo age limit wngkha 18 বছর থেকে 18 বছর থেকে apply khai mannai 45 বছর hai jeni ST SC ni bagui 45 বছর jora apply khai mannai qualification to nangnai o jagao GNM ANM khaijak haikaba BSc nursing obo hai khaijak kankana apply khainai tei registration tongnai nangnai Tripura Nursing Council ni phaijingtui register khaijak kankana o jagao eligible wngui thangnai jara nursing khaijak rok ni bagui GNM ANM khaijak ni bagui koktoma kaham oro 100 ta vacancies lamokha Tripura Government of Tripura ni phaijingtui Health and Family Welfare Department ni phaijingo rangjaknai ar jaga nirok details sai mana bagui o website o thanginai kaham kin rok sai mandi ke next nalai phiona haini hai aro tongo female staff chai bwrui rok ni bagui koktoma bwrui rok naharjaknai sudhumatro o jaga tong tiles showroom ni bagui bwrui staff naharjaknai jara interest tongnai rok jogajog khainai di oboni jaga thai wngkha Durjoynagar airport road angke contact number rok tongo mobile number 8787448551 o jagao apply khaidi ba contact khainai nirok full details sai mandi ingke boni pore tong piu hainai work in interview recruitment male or female candidates for retail garment showroom interested candidate can share their biodata on WhatsApp bongkha kaisa showroom garment showroom ni bagui chela bwrui apply khai naharjaknai recruit khaijaknai ke jara interest tongnai rok garment showroom o interest tongkha call khaidi ba call anrok ni biodata send ma khainai WhatsApp ni through tui WhatsApp number rojak tongo 8780 yakho WhatsApp number tongo 7082420445 o number o WhatsApp khaidi nirok ni biodata abongkha garment showroom o samung khainani bagui tei tongo ro vacancy available for the post of marketing executive and computer typist in a reputed diagnostic and polyclinic in Agartala kaisa diagnostic center ni phaijangtui post duita post naharjaknai marketing executive tei computer typist hai bongkha Agartala ni polyclinic diagnostic center salary negotiable salary kaham nangnai angkha kene rok jara interest tongnai rok diagnostic center o interest tongkha ke nirokni resume hai kabo biodata send khaidi biodata send khainani bagui email number tei WhatsApp number rojak tongo email number wngkha work in care lifestyle @gmail.com o jagao email khaidi nirokni biodata gangke tei tongo ro WhatsApp number tongo 9863886055 o jagao nirokni biodata haikaba resume send khaidi tinini video asana notification or notification ni bising manero je notification no sajak mani ba qualification match ngai tongkang ke daiti jogajog khai nai nirokni resume rok send khai nai interview rok roidi ke o samuno mannai ke tinini video asana ka video no sajak hangke like khai di tei share khai di je mansak ke ani of channel no jara subscribe khai kongkang ke subscribe khai di ke ani o channel ni phaichang tei bahai job notification rok manani bagui tinini video asana ka jotona hambai।